Hello. So, are you facing the import error? Cannot import name simple directory from LlamaIndex unknown location? Let's fix it under 60 seconds and import simple directory reader. So this error happens because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you're using code from older tutorials, blogs, or examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is one of the reasons why these errors take place. Now to easily fix this, let's copy this and let's paste it here. Now instead of importing from LlamaIndex, let's import it from LlamaIndex.core. So from LlamaIndex.core, import the same simple directory reader and now let's run it. Now as you can see, we have successfully imported simple directory reader without any issues. That's it, error fixed in seconds. If you're facing similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.